Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Maybe the universe and spiritually that name have given me strength of a boy and to always be independent. While performing, while dancing or while singing, I feel that's a skill that nobody can judge.
Correct.
A proper skill, talent is a talent no matter where you go. No, I feel that there is no language in acting. I feel like Karan Johar is one of those people that I've seen a couple of interviews of him. I've never seen him in an interview saying that he has been in a really long-lasting love relationship.
As they say कि मुंबई सपनों का शहर है, इसी सपनों के शहर में अपना छोटा सा सपना लेके एक लड़की आई थी. Welcoming Sondus in conversation with me on India Forums. Firstly, I want to know what a beautiful name you have. What does it mean?
Yeah. So actually my name is Sundus Sayed.
Okay.
Sundus means green fabric in Jannat, and Sayed literally means in Arabic sir. Sir. If you translate it, it's like Sir Sundus.
Okay.
My parents thought they would have a baby boy, and at the moment of the delivery, it happens that it's a girl, and they decided to call me Sir Sundus.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Lucky people in India don't understand the meaning, but in Morocco, I get trolled a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Your friends used to make fun of your name?
Oh my god, a lot. I used to cry back home and be like, "Why did you guys name me a boy Sundus? You know, because of you, I'm getting trolled." But down the line, I feel that maybe the universe and spiritually that name have given me strength of a boy and to always be independent.
Absolutely. As you said, it means green carpet.
No, fabric
green
in
fabric.
Jannat.
Okay, so is Sondus a green flag in real life? Is she all of those green qualities that everyone would look for?
I don't think I fit in one box that is the average of green flag for everyone, but I'm definitely a red flag if you mess with me. Yeah.
Warning, guys, warning. Well, Sondus, firstly, as you mentioned about Morocco, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, that first day when you decided that you want to pursue acting, you want to come down to Mumbai, who was the first person जिसको आपने ये बात बताई होगी?
My dad.
Yeah, what was his reaction?
Before my dad, actually, I came to India in 2018 to do my MBA in finance, and I had one guy that was really my best friend. His name is Mayank, and the girls in the hostel were not supposed to go to the guy's hostel.
Oh.
But I used to sneak out in the night and go in his room because he was someone that I could trust and just like a brother. And I told him कि मैं वापस आऊँगी India के लिए. And when I wanted to come back, I called him and I'm like, I'm coming back. But from my life, it was definitely my dad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What was his reaction जब आपने उनको बताया?
I asked my dad because he has spent a lot of money on my MBA, my education, and he was expecting like a return. And I was like, I'm really grateful for what you have done, but I'm so sorry. I've given it a shot. I worked in finance, but like dil nahi hai wahan pe, dil aur ek jagah hai. Then he was like, whatever, my daughter, I'll support you. On that day I cried and I was like, this is the kind of man I want in my life who would like support me,
We love fathers who give wings to their daughters.
I don't know, but daughters at some point are just like daddy's daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah. And on the other hand, my mom has blocked me for like 6 months.
Oh.
When I came to India.
Really?
Yeah, so it was like full support and full non-support.
Yeah. How did you go through that phase then?
It was really hard for me because even when I won Splitsvilla and then we got our phones, after like 45 days, they told us like, take back your phone and call your parents, just check up on them. And the first person that I thought naturally to call was like my mom to tell her that, hey, I won the show, even it's not out yet. And I just called and it's like, dun, 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 you're blocked on this number. Yeah. Then I was like, I just looking at other people who came like second runner-up and they used to call their parents and be like, happy we are just second runner-up of the show. And I'm the one who won and I cannot even share it with my parents. So that was a little bit heartbreaking. But I called my dad and it was nice to share it with him.
Wonderful. So on this आपकी journey हम सबने देखी है, Beach Roadies, Splitsvilla और even Khatro also. we see a outsider making her own mark without any godfather in the industry. और मुझे
Yeah.
लगता है कि आपसे ज़्यादा सही इंसान कोई नहीं होगा इस चीज़ का जवाब देने के लिए. Is this industry welcoming to outsiders?
I feel that this question would have been smart to ask few years back. I feel like that now even those people that hold the power in this industry, they are just basically thinking they hold it, but the powers is now in the audience hand.
Correct.
And I feel that the audience is welcoming anyone who can prove himself through his crafts and through hard work, because that's the only thing that nobody can deny. People can be like, अच्छा नहीं लगा उसको मिलकर से, she doesn't speak very well, she's not well mannered, she doesn't carry herself very well, she's not hot, she's not beautiful. But whatever job you do in acting, once you are playing a role, while performing, while dancing, or while singing, I feel that's a skill that nobody can judge.
Correct.
A proper like skill, talent is a talent no matter where you go. So with the OTT platforms, with the social media, I feel that the power is धीरे धीरे going through the audience.
Correct. क्या आपको ये भी लगता है कि इस इंडस्ट्री के कुछ सेट स्टैंडर्ड्स है?
Yeah.
Have you gone through any of those?
Yeah, like the people that used to manage me before used to be like, Sundus, take some gluta. Milky skin is something that is really liked by the audience. You don't have to cut your hair, you have to put on some weight if you want us to pitch you for South industry. And I used to be like, no, you should not guide me like this. And also I feel that if you're really an agency that know how to guide, then why didn't you make 100 stars before me?
Correct.
You know? But at the same time, I understand them, because when I go to my social media, and if there is like a bikini pose that I'm posting, or a reel where my skin is showing and I'm a little bit white, I feel that the audience like it. So I feel that those statements are coming from a place of truth. And we as audience, we are citizens, are kind of responsible for that. We are the people who are promoting those statements via our like, via our interaction, via our liking, that translates in the engagement that is seen on social media.
Correct.
So if we stop pushing such content, if we include in my content, it will also help me ki, yaar, I don't have to post this because this is what make my audience like it. I can also push the other thing.
Bilkul. But there's also another side to the coins on this. I want to tell you about this. Being an Indian audience myself, people these days are liking content जो काफी ज़्यादा raw है, which is something related to their own culture only. So, for example, talking about a film which is recently released, Lapata Ladies, if you heard about it, it is so much deeply rooted to the culture, to their people. So I think about this white skin and everything, it is coming from the westernized culture, and there's still people who in our country who are looking for the raw content which is related to our roots. My question to you is, have you been offered any such kind of role which is so much Indian, so much raw in nature, and are you looking forward to doing such things?
I'm really looking forward to that, because if you go through my social media, you will find a lot of posts where I'm not that glamorous and where I'm not like trying to push, where there's not a lot of editing. And I really love acting beyond anything in life, and I really would look forward to be part of something that promotes me more as a talent rather than just like a figure or a beauty.
True.
But the reality is the competition on these roles is much more harder than the commercial, than the roles that are more commercial.
Yeah, absolutely. This was about the industry, but talking about the city, have Mumbai been welcoming to you, or how is the experience with the people here?
I feel like Mumbai is like that toxic boyfriend that in the morning you love him, and in the evening or in the day you hate him, and in the night you're like, I don't have anyone to hug me, so let me just hug him, you know. So I feel that's Mumbai for me, you know. It wake you with a slap, then you just wake up and you do the work, and the moment you smile, again another slap, and you're just like, this is what I love, you know. Yeah, you're like, I love it, you know. Even if I'm getting slapped every day, I love it, because it's just making my cheekbones more stronger.
It looks like you have some bittersweet memories with the city already.
but I love it because see, I said at the end that it makes you stronger.
Yeah.
And I don't want a city that just welcomes me with like big hands and with love and affection.
Yeah.
And I'll just feel stagnant, you know. Challenges just make me think every night before sleep, kya karna hai kal, you know, what can I do different? What did I do bad today? What can I focus on? You know, okay, my dance is not that great. How can I work on that? My diction is not good. How can I do that? My interviews, the way I project myself, what am I thinking of doing for the next 2 years? What should I focus on?
Yeah.
You know, what are the right people that I need to meet? What is the kind of energy that I want to keep in my life? So at least it's a city that throws to you a couple of questions which keeps you busy and keeps you striving to do more.
Yeah, looks like Saunders is all set to do better by each passing day.
Yeah, I hope so.
इतने सारे shows कर लिए Saunders. I want to ask you, ये ऐसी कौन सी एक चीज है that you have learned so far and you want to stick with it for your entire next career that you want to do in this industry?
There is something that took me time to understand and to accept, that what I want to do as an actor or as a person, it's not usually something that the audience is looking forward to see from me. So I have to make a balance between what I want to do as a person and also respect the fact that the audience ka demand is also there and I should respect that. Like maybe I would love to do some kind of simple roles, but somehow, I don't know for which reason, the audience likes me dancing or likes me in commercial roles. So I have to create that balance between what I want to do and what the audience likes me in.
Correct. Absolutely. Also, इतने साल हो गए, आप जान पहचान काफी ज़्यादा बनी गई होगी. There is that one bad day, no, in where you just feel like you should vent it out to somebody. You just feel like there should be this one person who should listen out to you. ऐसा कौन सा दोस्त है आपका?
There are two people. There is one person that is called Arsh. He have been with me in Rodies, and he's like my Shuda bhai. He's like 24, 23 years old. And the second person is my dad. I feel that he has worked in military and he have like worked in couple of countries, couple of cities, into so many social problems and wars. That I feel he's enough strong mentally to always inspire me. I call him because I know that whatever is the problem, whatever I tell him, I know that the outcome of that call or that video call will always be just keep going for it.
Yeah.
So I know that for sure if I press that button of call, at the end of this call, I will be more inspired and I will be striving to do more.
Oh.
Yeah.
If I had to ask you, आपको ऐसा क्या लगता है Saunders is the changing point of your life, or was the changing point of your life? What reality show or what particular moment in the industry was like turning point कि इसके बाद तो now you just have to keep going?
I think that I didn't get that moment yet.
Okay, you're waiting for that moment.
Yeah, there isn't a project that have hit me like that have like got me into orgasming on it of doing more.
Yeah.
You know, like I feel I've done good. Some projects have helped me open more doors.
Yeah.
But there is not yet that project that I feel like it took me to the next level.
What would that project be like? How
An
have you
acting
imagined
project.
it?
I feel like a big acting project with a big production, big set with legendary people, with a Hindi script will be that changing moment for me, because as of now people only see me on reality shows and see me with that broken Hindi and like that girl who's trying. And now I'm working on a project that I'm waiting soon to release, and I feel I'm like betting on that project to change people's mindset towards me.
क्या आपको लगता है language आपका barrier है?
No, I feel that there is no language in acting. Yeah, I feel that to connect better with the audience and emotion on an emotional level, knowing that the Indian audience are very emotional, you need to learn the language, and they owe you that minimum of hard work, you know, to be able to connect with them and use those specific words that make their hearts melt. You know, if you say I love you, it's not like मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ. It comes different in Hindi, you know. So you should be able to say it in that diction that सुनने का you're like, oh my God.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Do you think life has changed a little bit after doing Khatro?
Yeah, I think that people respect my talent more. They respect my drive more, and they see that, okay, she's opening doors that we never thought she would open. So we
Yeah.
are waiting for what she would do next.
Correct.
You know, I'm like, just wait.
Correct. Wonderful. Talking about Khatro, we've heard reports about your friend Asim being in the show, and there's some clashes between him and the host of the show, Rohit Shetty. Have you heard about it, or have you had a word with Asim lately?
I didn't have a word with Asim, but I've seen it on my social media, and I hope it's all going well for him, because I really hope he will get that opportunity to do the maximum episode or just win the show, because he have been working really hard on his physique, and it's been now 2 years or 3 years that he has done Big Boss.
Yeah.
And I feel that Khatro is a format of a show that suits his personality. So I just hope and pray that everything is going well for him.
Adding to that, we've seen Asim in Big Boss, but we've also seen an aggressive side of him in Big Boss. क्या आपको लगता है that is going to be a roadblock for him while he's doing Khatro?
I feel as Big Boss as a show is a format that is meant to push you to your lowest, and whatever personality you might portray on the show is not really your personality, because you are not in such kind of situations every day. So even if he came across as a short-tempered person, I don't think that this is what I've seen in him when I met him a couple of times.
Okay.
So, and we should not be that kind of audience that just put a sticker on someone's head and be like, he's like this, because even if he was like that, it's been so many years and people change, people grow, people mature, people learn, and he's of course someone different.
Wonderful. Talking about Big Boss, have you ever thought of being a part of that show, or were you offered doing Big Boss?
I love Big Boss, because in these 3 reality shows that I've done, in the way that the channel portrayed the show, they need to follow a certain creative line where there is like that negative character, that sensitive one, emotional, strong, chapri, elegant, classy, so we can have like a
mixture of everything.
Salad of a lot of ingredients.
Absolutely.
So the edits kind of goes a little bit essay left and right.
Yeah.
And Big Boss is the only show that I feel like it's 24 hours live, and you cannot run away from who you really are. And I cannot wait for the audience to see me as a full packaged personality without the editing getting involved and cutting some parts that are really important in making my personality be what is it.
Team Big Boss, we are sending this to you. We want to see more of Saunders. Wrapping up, I have 2 last questions for you. What kind of directors or actors do you have in your bucket list that you're looking forward to?
Yeah, I would say, like, of course, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. But I really like Karan Johar and Imtiaz Ali. I feel like Karan Johar is one of those people that, like, I've seen a couple of interviews of him. I've never seen him in an interview saying that he has been in a really long-lasting love relationship. But I just want to ask him, how then are you making such big love storyline hits if you don't have such experience in love? Like, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is like, wow, like all his movies that are about love, either it's like a boy, girl, girl, are just like hits, and such storylines can only come from a person who have a full understanding of love and relationships, and in his movies he just puts few moments here and there, like Rocky or Rani between Alia and Ranveer, 2 different casts, 2 different social level, and still like they love each other this way, and there is that understanding. In Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, when he loves her, he starts hitting her and all of that. And for Karan Johar, that's a way of expressing love.
Correct.
Which is actually true. It happens between me and my partner when the doors are closed, but next day when I go to my best friend, I don't tell him that I hate him, but that was out of love.
Correct.
You know, so I feel like he's someone that can really make a good script that I would fit in. And Imtiaz Ali, same thing. Like, I don't know why Tamasha was never a blockbuster, but is a set
Masterpiece.
of like lot of emotions and
It does.
lot of like scenes that can only come from someone who's as creative, as talented as Imtiaz Ali sir.
You look so affectionate when you talk about love. Are we going through a heartbreak or are we looking for
No,
love?
no,
What is
I'm
it?
just like, I just love such movies.
Yeah.
And you know, when you're able to love a movie not because you remember the storyline, but because you loved what that movie made you feel,
Yeah.
and you want to watch it just for what it made you feel, that's when you know that this movie is a banger. Like Rockstar is now
Yes,
in-
it's really
in theater.
Yeah.
Why do people want to watch Rockstar besides other movies? Because it has a feeling to it, it has an emotion, and people don't want to watch it because of the storyline, because they know it,
Yeah.
but because they want to feel what they have been feeling when they watched that, and it was a good feeling, so they just want to go back. They
Absolutely.
pay their money to get that same emotion they got
Again.
10 years back.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Lastly, have you been following the Splitsvilla of this season?
Not at all.
No. Social media पे कुछ देख रहे होंगे या anything?
Not at all. And I want the show, and the show has opened many doors for me, and I'm really grateful for MTV channel. But also, it's a show that have kind of obliged me to be in the same rooms as people that don't share the same mindset as me, the same
Yeah.
respect towards the craft as me, the same pasina that I have for the craft as me, and I feel very sad that I had to go through that.
Okay, wonderful. ये हसीना तो इस इंडस्ट्री में अपना नाम बनाने के लिए काफी पसीना बहा रही है. Let's see if audiences are gonna love you more. Of course, we would want to see you doing more projects. Till then, keep watching India Forums. Thank you so much, Saunders, for
Thank you
talking
so
to
much.
us. Lovely talking.